Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy low-carb milkshake using just these ingredients, and as always I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below which has the recipe, full step-by-step instructions and loads of variations too, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give the recipe a try and what you think of it. So I'm making a vanilla flavoured milkshake, but you could follow a similar method for a chocolate flavoured one or even a strawberry one, but yeah, let me just talk you through the ingredients. I've got almond milk here. It's unsweetened almond milk, so it's low in sugar and low in carbs, but also low in fat. So I like to add in some fresh cream to elevate the fat content. As I'm making it vanilla, I'm going to add a little splash of my Madagascan vanilla over there. And now for the creaminess, what I've done is, here in Ireland, you get these tubs of ready, freshly whipped cream. There's no other added sugar or anything in it. It's just whipped cream. I've been storing this in the freezer, so I'm going to use that in place of ice cream, but you could make homemade ice cream if you want. You could use Halo Top or another low-carb keto-friendly ice cream if you would like to, or you could also just whip up some cream. Get some fresh cream that you can whip it up, pop it in a container in the freezer for a few hours, and then it gets nice and thickened and hardened and makes a lovely frosty milkshake. So we'll just put it all together now. So I've got my cup measure over here as well as my cup for blending, and I'm going to measure out a cup full, but what I'm going to do is do about 3/4 of it as my almond milk, and then I'm going to pop the rest as cream. So we've got about 3/4 of a cup of milk and 1/4 of a cup of cream. I'm just going to carefully pour that into the blender. Of course I made a mess, I always do. I'm going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of my vanilla to have a lovely vanilla flavor. And now the cream, you can see it's kind of hardened up in the tub over here. So it's kind of like ice cream, or it's like a cheat's way of making ice cream. So I'm going to add 2 lovely spoons of that cream, which looks like ice cream. It's so perfect. And if you want it to be a bit sweetened, you can add a bit of stevia or any other sweetener of choice to taste. It is up to you. So we'll just get it onto blend now. Okay, I'll just pop the lid on and pop it onto blend. Here you go, it's lovely and creamy, and I'll pour it out into a glass now. Okay, I've got my glass there. I'll pour out my ice cream. It's got lovely thick creamy bits in it. Oh, yum. And to me a milkshake is kind of perfect once it has a bit of whipped cream on top. Oh, perfect. And I'm going to give it a final little flourish by grating a bit of chocolate over the top. It's just my favorite chocolate from Aldi. And I made chocolate everywhere, but that's a perfect indulgent milkshake. Look at that lovely low-carb milkshake. It's such a lovely frosty sweet treat. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give the milkshake a try and what you think of it. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which will have the full recipe and step-by-step instructions for how to make this beautiful milkshake a lovely sweet treat. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.